to create your own web server on Windows. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Open the Control panel. Go to Programs. Next, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Enable Internet Information Services and Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core. Click OK. Wait for Windows to install IIS. This may take a few minutes. Click on Don't Restart. Search for Internet Information Services, IIS, Manager, and Run as Administrator. At the left side, we can see the desktop drop-down. Click on drop-down and click on Sites. There we will have the default website page. To fetch the IP address, type CMD in search field. Go to command prompt. Type ipconfig. We will get our IP address. Copy the IP address of our Windows machine. Open the browser. Paste the IP address of our Windows machine. Default website will display. Search free website templates. Click on the free web templates. Click on any templates and click on the download. Click on the download icon and click on the folder. It will redirect to respective folder. Select the folder which is downloaded and extract the files in it. Open the extracted folder. Select and copy all the files in the folder. Go to the local disk C. Click on the inetpub folder and again select the www root folder. Paste all the files in it. Open the browser. Type the IP address of our Windows. It will show the default website and click on refresh. It will display the website which we created. Again download the website templates and click on the download icon and click on folder. It will redirect to respective folder. Select the downloaded folder and extract the files in it. Open the extracted folder and select the folder and rename the folder. Then copy the folder. Copy the folder. Go to local disk C and click on inetpub folder and again go to www root folder and paste the folder. Copy the folder name. Go to the command prompt and copy the IP address of our Windows. Open the browser and paste the IP address in search field and add the folder name beside with /. It will open the website which we created by IP address with folder name. Remove the folder name, only add the IP address. It will display the website default without folder name. We can create n number of website templates and can display the templates with IP address and a folder name. But if we copy only files, we need to replace files every time to display the new website. So instead of copying files, we can copy the entire folder and we can display any website with IP address and folder name.